South Dakota provides judgment creditors with standard enforcement tools in a state with an unlimited homestead exemption in value for qualifying acreage and a favorable trust and financial services environment. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. South Dakota judgments accrue interest at 1% above the prime rate, a market-linked rate that has been moderate in recent years. Judgment duration. South Dakota judgments are valid for 20 years, an extended collection window. Recording the judgment lion. In South Dakota, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed in the clerk of court's office of that county. Wage garnishment. South Dakota uses 20% of disposable earnings or the excess above 40 times the federal minimum wage per week, whichever is less, a formula more protective than the federal standard on both the percentage cap and the multiplier. Homestead exemption. South Dakota's homestead exemption is unlimited in value for qualifying rural acreage. The primary residence on qualifying land is completely protected regardless of value. No tenancy by the entirety. South Dakota does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. Jointly held property is accessible for the debtor's interest. Bank levy. South Dakota allows execution against bank accounts and personal property. The absence of tenancy by the entirety protection makes joint accounts accessible for the debtor's share. Trust and financial services. South Dakota's trust laws are among the most favorable in the country. Many trusts and financial entities are organized under South Dakota law. Investigating trust interests held by debtors may require South Dakota-specific analysis. People Locator skip tracing investigates South Dakota debtor financial and trust interests. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.